Uplinkfast is working with between the switches and the spanning tree environment. It basically to switch from the blocking status to the forwarding status. Okay, for example, in this topology, there is 4 core switches connect to each other by trunking link. Has 2 physical link. So once the VLAN spanning tree protocol running in this environment, a certain of port for certain VLAN will become blocking status, and some is become forwarding status. For example, if this interface on switch 2 is a root port, the other port will become blocking status. So once the link for the root bridge is done, so we want guarantee that this link, the blocking status, will become to forwarding status as soon as possible. So we use the uplink to on this interface, Uplinkfast command to this interface. Usually it's about 30 seconds from blocking status to forwarding status. But after we use this command, once the link found that the root port was done, that this one will become the forwarding status within 14 seconds. Okay, so in this topology, we are going to configure 4 VLANs and use the command spanning tree VLAN. So assign each VLAN in different switch as a root switch. Then later on we can check from the link. Then we find we're going to check from the link. And then we'll check from the link, see which one is blocking, which one is forwarding status. And we'll try to in a lab and to how long the other link is from the blocking status to forwarding status. Okay, let's go back to the lab environment. Okay, we're going to configure 4 trunk link between the 4 switch. Encapsulated as ISL. Okay, finish the first one, CGW1, go to the second switch, and the rest. Do the same thing to the fourth switch. Okay, we finished showing the fixed trunk. Okay, on SW1 there's 2 trunk link here. On SW2, 2 trunk here. SW3, 2 trunk here. And the same thing as W4, the 2 trunk here. So the trunk was built up and they working fine. And then we go, the next step we're going to build up, we're going to configure each switch with different VLAN assigned as a root primary VLAN. Okay, we use command for switch 1, we use spanning tree VLAN 10 root primary. Okay, so for switch 2, assign VLAN 20 as a root primary. Let's switch 3, assign as this 4, assign VLAN 40. Okay, go back, let's take a look. So we can see here, show spanning tree root. This 4 switch, you see the 4 VLAN, they are using different MAC address. This different MAC address is mean different switch as their root bridge. Okay, so we are successfully set up the different root VLAN to different switch. Okay, the next step we are going to utilize the command spanning tree uplinkfast. On each, use this command on each switch. Okay, so we go back to first switch 1, show spanning tree. So use command show spanning tree. You can see that on switch 1, different port for different VLAN, right? They are in different status. Okay, so for example, for VLAN 10, right, the 4 switch all in forwarding status. For VLAN 20, and this 4 interface, 1 is in blocking status, the other 3 in the forwarding status. On VLAN 30, there is a 3 port is a forwarding status. It is 1 is blocking status. So later we are going to because this is belong to one trunk. Later we're going to try to shut down this 21, the port 21. See how fast the blocking status will become to this forwarding status. Okay, same thing happened here. In VLAN 40, there are 4 port, and the 3 of them is in blocking status. 1 is in a forwarding status. So we can if we want to test, we can just shut down this interface. Try to see how long the port 22 become to the forwarding status. Okay, so now we take VLAN 40 as example. We are going to shut down this in the trunk phase, one of the physical link. This interface. I'm going to shut down this interface. See how fast it is going to the alpha 022 come to forwarding status. Okay, usually it's coming right away. It looks like right away it turns on status, right? So now we choose let's change another switch. Okay, we try this one. VLAN 30. For VLAN 30, right? So the 21 port is forwarding status, 22 is blocking status. So now we close 21. So VLAN 20. You see the right away is turned on from the blocking status to the forwarding status. So very fast after we put the uplinkfast. So this is the why we use uplinkfast.